We export BYD pure electric automatic trucks, 4.2-meter refrigerated trucks, in bulk. I am Chen Yuan from a Chinese special purpose truck source factory. With over 10 years of export experience, our products are sold to many regions worldwide, including Thailand, Guinea, Senegal, Bolivia, Paraguay, Cuba, Rwanda, Algeria, Morocco, Tunisia, Libya, Mauritania, Gambia, Guinea-Bissau, Cape Verde, Sierra Leone, Liberia, Burkina Faso, Nigeria, Cameroon, Central African Republic, Chad, Sudan, South Sudan, Eritrea, Djibouti, Ethiopia, Somalia, Burundi, Gabon, Equatorial Guinea, Sotam and Principe, Comoros, Laos, Cambodia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Mongolia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Bahrain, and Qatar. We can customize fuel, electric, hybrid, hydrogen, and natural gas trucks, compatible with light, medium, and heavy-duty trucks, and mainstream brand chassis. Supports left or right-hand drive, multi-wheel drive, and Euro to Euro 6 emission standards, subject to local policies. Mainly manufactures hundreds of special-purpose vehicles, including dump trucks, refrigerated trucks, wreckers, aerial work platforms, sanitation vehicles, and engineering vehicles. Factory direct supply offers high-cost performance. We can provide custom services, export licenses, logistics, parts, and global after-sales support.